is wild. What even is going on? There's like a major crash. It's like 100 degrees out right now, and I rode the hottest bike, and there is a massive accident. Look at everyone literally stopped. People are stopped on the side of the road because their cars are overheating. My bike is overheating too. I'm at 4 bars. I've never seen this bike on 4 bars. This is mayhem. I'm sorry, bike. Like even the air is like really warm. It's like a sauna in here. My God, holy, gee. Well, I'm glad we didn't take the exit because now it's open. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Finally back on the V4R. And we are going to the shop to put on some parts on this bike. Hopefully if they have time for us. I didn't expect all this traffic, so there's literally traffic on the opposite side too. I'm pretty sure people are just watching. Yeah, this is also the first ride with the carbon fiber side panels and all. Oh, I need some like fresh air. Even if I open the visor, it's literally like a sauna. It's way too hot. I am burning up right now. It's like all red from the heat. Holy. We're going to the shop to hopefully put on the reservoirs, maybe the triple tree. Actually, I don't think we're gonna get to that because we need a special tool. For not this one, I need 2 special tools. One to take out this one and one to install my other ring nut because it's like a slightly different tool. The breeze is a little cooler here. I think it's because we're getting close to like the beach area. Oh yeah, I was saying I don't think we'll get the triple trim put on today, but hopefully we'll at least do the reservoirs. And I have a custom seat for this bike. Finally here, so I'm excited for that too. Sport bike, the fans were on literally the whole time.
Yo, I am drenched. 100 degrees in that weather. I mean, in that traffic, I can't even talk no more. How are you doing?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
Hey.
What's going on?
Yeah. So I guess we'll just put on the reservoirs for now.
I have the tool on its way.
Huh?
I have the tool on its way.
Perfect. Yeah, I literally saw the message as I was heading out. Yeah, so. So hot today.
I know.
Especially on that bike.
So what do you want to put on?
Literally just reservoirs. I have all 3 of them.
You have all 3 of them?
Yeah. And I have their mounts too, because they need like specific brackets. Okay. Yeah, and if we have time, I have a seat cover. Should be easy. I just don't have the stapler tool. How are you doing?
Good, how's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Well, helmets on this.
Yeah.
These are seat covers that he has.
I'm cool with whatever. We can either just do the seat and do everything together when you guys get the part, or we can do the reservoirs. It's up to you guys.
Mike's clean, it looks good.
Thank you, thank you. I literally recently just put on this piece on it. It's a full carbon fiber side panel that I had painted in Italy.
Oh, shit, okay.
Yeah, I didn't. My last V4 was full carbon, and you couldn't tell as much that it's a Ducati, so I wanted to keep some red.
Okay. Yeah, that's really nice.
Thank you. Right, we are back. Did not have time, or we did have time to put the reservoirs on, but we needed that special tool because I need 2 special tools for the ring nuts. This ring nut has 8 holes, and the other ring nut, the aftermarket one I got, has 6. So we need 2 special tools. They had the OEM one, but not the other one. So we'll get the other ring nut. But the seat is on the bike. Look at this custom V4R seat. Bike looks
Come closer.
more and more complete.
Show them my chain, homie hook.
His chain was loose.
Loosey goosey.
Now it's all good.
All's all clear.
It's gonna feel better.
Hell yeah.
All right, my first time my booty cheeks are gonna sit on this.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, I like. Huh?
I can't go anywhere without these.
Nice. Yeah, you might need your keys for the bike. Yeah, it's not electric, you know. It's not as cool as Tesla yet. That startup is loud on this bike, on his BMW. Oh, the weather is so much better now. Plus the fact that the bike isn't running at like 3 or 4 bars, that helps too. Right. So excited now that the bike is coming along nicely. And then I need to bring this back. Actually, when I do the mount, the triple tree, I've been trying to do this for such a long time now. It's funny. It's giving me, it's just like simple stuff. I just don't have the right tools for them, but oh my god, you guys tell me I'm a squid. Shorts, flip-flops, and unbuttoned shirt. Eyes got watery real quick. But yeah, after when I go take this bike for the parts, when they get a tool and all, I'll probably get an oil change too. I did get an oil change like probably like 1,000 miles ago, but I feel like because I tuned the bike like so many times ever since, and I've been riding the bike a little bit aggressively, and it's pretty hot out, so you know, a lot of heat cycles, so it's better to kind of get a fresh, you know, oil change on the bike. Take care of her. She's been running hot, and she went through a lot with all the different tunes. Now that she has the Brent tune, she's happy. Sounds pretty good. Bike is coming along. I think the only major piece we're missing on this bike, well, besides the carbon wheels, is the carbon belly. Still waiting on the new design to come out so I can buy the carbon belly with the updated design for this bike. And after that, and the carbon wheels, should be mainly done. Yeah, it's been an expensive and long journey, but as I said, besides the H2 and this bike are like my dream bikes, so that's why I went ham with these bikes. Ooh, actually, I think I just received the upper wings for my H2, so I'll probably put that on later today, which I'll probably show all the new parts in another video for you guys. Let's go, baby! Not much for this video, just kind of an update on putting on the seat, and next time hopefully we'll get all the parts done, the stuff that I have at least. But yeah, exciting stuff, building all the bikes kind of like each one at a time. I feel like that should be more exciting for you guys because I'm kind of like hopping around between bikes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, and support the channel. Yeah, appreciate all of you for the support and watching, and hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Also, always leave me like recommendations of what you guys would like to see on the channel. I'm always open to, you know, see what you guys would want to watch and make those type of videos as well. But yeah, thank you so much for the support. Peace out, ride safe. Catch you guys next time.